What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix the problem when the Wi-Fi network is not showing up on your iPhone. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. While using your iPhone, open up your control center by swiping down and toggle the Wi-Fi option off and on again. You can also toggle airplane mode on and off to refresh your network connection and search for Wi-Fi networks in your area. When this is done, open up your iOS settings app. In your Wi-Fi settings, tap the eye icon next to your previously connected Wi-Fi network to access additional information and settings. Select Forget this network. This will remove the Wi-Fi name from the list of previously connected networks. If the network name is not showing up in the list, then tap Edit. You might be required to enter your passcode to access this list of known networks. Access the network that is showing up and select to forget the network. Make sure that the IPv4 and DNS settings are set to automatic. This can in some cases prevent you from properly connecting to the Wi-Fi network. If the problem persists and you're close enough to the Wi-Fi router or repeater, then it's suggested to update and restart your iPhone or iPad. Back in your main iOS settings, navigate to the General section and select Software Update. Here, proceed to download the latest software update in case one is available to you and restart your iOS device once the download is complete. After restarting your device, it's also suggested to restart your router or modem, especially if you haven't done this in a while. If you still encounter Wi-Fi connection issues after following these troubleshooting steps, then you'll be required to reset your iOS network settings. In your iOS General settings, scroll down and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. After selecting Reset, tap on Reset Network Settings. This will take a moment to change all your network settings back to default and restart your device. You'll be required to log back into your Wi-Fi network and the problem will be fixed. These steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.